I don't know if it could be seen on camera, but just there, got a lot of water spots. So hello and welcome to another video. I thought I'd just share today my latest toy, my latest acquisition for car washing. Now this is designed to make car washing a lot easier, a lot quicker, and to reduce any damage you might do to your paint. So what I bought is the Monza car wash spot-free water filter. This is a resin vessel that's 7 litres in size. It's very easy to use, and it's designed to create a streak-free and zero watermark finish after washing your car. You wash your car like normal and rinse it with this filtered water, and away you go. Makes it very, very, very easy. So looking at the vessel, it's quite a nice sturdy vessel. It's nicely weighted. It doesn't tip over too easily. It does come supplied with these 2 hose lock connectors already. You've got the inlet there, so the water comes in and goes right to the bottom of the vessel, and then comes back out again and up through the neck and out here, nicely filtered. This should be good for around about 500 litres of water as a minimum. That obviously depends on how hard your water is and how much work the actual resin inside needs to do. If you're not in a hard water area, it should do well over 500 litres. I've seen it written down 700 or 800 litres is definitely possible, but it is best advised just to use it sparingly. So this I bought directly from the Monza website. It's currently £100, and that includes pre-filled with resin. So the size is approximately from bottom to top. It's around about 18 inches high, and the diameter is around about 6 inches. So it's not particularly big. You only use cold water with it. As you can see here though, it does say that the maximum pressure is 10.5 bar. I think that's more the container than the working pressure you should be working with. I think typically water mains pressure is around about 3 bar, so there's a lot of safety, the big safety factor in there. And the instructions say that you should place the vessel as close to your mains outlet as possible. But as you can see from my mains outlet is at the back of the house, just here, and it would have to go all the way down the side of the house and around the front. What I don't want to have is a whole hose pipe of water completely cleaned that's never going to be used when you finally finish washing the car off, which is obviously wasting some water. So the setup I've put in place, on the end of the hose I've got a little stop connection there, which means I don't need to walk around the back of the house to turn that off each time. Now this just plugs into here, like so, and I can then put the water on. And then the other side, nice hose connector there, and on the end another connector. That goes onto the spray. So we turn it on, Turn that on. And still at the moment it's isolated here. But what I tend to do, I put that on at a reasonable rate. And that pressures. And there you go, you got your filtered water. So you can reduce the flow a little bit. That just saves water, it's too low. So let's just adjust it to whatever you think is right. That's where I tend to have it. Couple of important tips. Don't use it with a pressure washer. Use it as sparingly as possible, because then that makes the resin in here last just that little bit longer. And as I suggested here, if you just reduce the pressure, it reduces the flow through, which again just saves that little bit of resin over time, and it means you don't waste too much water. So we'll wash the car and we'll see what results we get. So what you need to do, you wash your vehicle in the normal way with soapy water, and then you rinse the car afterwards with normal tap water, and the very final rinse will be with the filtered water. You should rinse from the top of the car down to the bottom and just allow it to air dry. It really is as simple as that. So I thought I'd finally test it on the Jag. So I'm actually going to do the test on the Jag. I've washed the car in a similar way to the way I did the Jeep, and basically from here across is tap water, and this here has then been further rinsed with the clean water. So when it dries, let's see how it compares. Right, so we're nearly dry. I don't know if it can be seen on camera, but just there, got a lot of water spots. Just there, and just there. So whereas this side, there's no water spots whatsoever.